A plea deal was struck today for Mark Anthony Hernandez. He's the man accused of killing his girlfriend's one-year-old daughter back in May of 2021.
Yeah, he pled guilty to injury to a child. And while the case has drawn attention for years, it is the unusual sentence that he'll now serve that has people talking. Our Josh Maxwell has been tracking this case, including a phone conversation with the Nueces County District Attorney about why this deal was made, and he joins us now with more. Josh.
Leslie, the district attorney says complications with witness testimony and years of legal back and forth made it impossible to pursue a murder charge. That's why prosecutors agreed to a lesser offense in this case. The family of Giselle Lopez swallowing difficult news as her alleged killer Mark Anthony Hernandez accepted a plea deal in her 2021 death. Lopez was found unconscious at the Latitude Apartments back in May of 2021. According to Hernandez's legal counsel, Mark Stolly, under the plea deal, Hernandez will spend 1 week in jail each year on the anniversary of her death. He'll do that for the next 10 years.
Well, he's initially charged with murder, a first-degree felony. He was looking at 5 to 99 years or life in prison. Ultimately, he pled to what we call a lesser-included offense, which was a third-degree felony, injury to a child by act or omission, and he was placed on probation for 10 years deferred adjudication.
Nueces County District Attorney Jimmy Granberry says new testimony that came to light recently, on top of a case that's changed hands multiple times, made it hard to push for a murder conviction.
The testimony made it difficult for us to proceed against a single individual on a charge of murder.
Granberry says that when a case drags on for years, records and notes don't always keep up, making it harder to prove in court.
Difficulty with the case getting older is that you don't have continuity of care on the case. Unfortunately, there weren't good notes taken or nothing in Odyssey explaining any of these issues.
Stolly points out that even with the deal, Hernandez still faces consequences if he doesn't follow the terms of his probation.
Means that if he's successful, then he'll have the indictment dismissed. He will not have a conviction. On the other hand, he faces the range of punishment between 2 and 10 years in the event he violates his probation.
In addition to serving just 7 days of jail time each year on the anniversary of the child's death, Hernandez will also serve 10 years supervised probation and must complete 300 hours of community service. Back to you.